Falafel is a tasty chickpea-based Middle Eastern patty or ball that's fried in a little oil. It makes a fantastic alternative to meat, and it's really simple to make. I'm making them to go in my falafel salad bowl from my new book, Seriously Good Salads. It's completely meat-free, but packed with flavour, and it's served with a delicious creamy feta dressing. First, we're going to start with the falafel. You'll need 2 14-ounce cans of chickpeas, a large red onion, 2 large garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 2 tablespoons of plain all-purpose flour. A cup of fresh parsley and a cup of fresh coriander or cilantro, the juice of half a lemon. Place all of those ingredients into a food processor and pulse until you get the right texture. Now we're going to form the mixture into patties. So we're going to form them into 12 patties. You can form them into balls if you want to. I prefer doing patties because it's easier to fry them that way. We'll place them on a tray, and then once they're all done, we'll start frying. And now we're going to fry the falafel in a little bit of oil over a medium to high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes each side. That should get you a nice golden crust. Whilst the falafel's cooking, we'll make the feta dressing. So we need 3 tablespoons of crumbled feta, 3 tablespoons of double or heavy cream, 5 tablespoons of milk, a tablespoon of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. They all go into a mini blender, or I'm using my smoothie maker to get mixed up. The feta adds a lovely tanginess to the creamy dressing to give it a real lift. You can have a taste of it. It's going to be perfect with the falafel. Now we're going to turn over that last batch of falafel. So now we're going to start assembling the salad. I've got some baby spinach going in the bowl first. And then we've got some red onion slices, baby cucumber slices, some shredded beetroot, and some lovely sun-blushed tomatoes. Then top with 3 falafel, sprinkle on some pomegranate seeds, and drizzle on that feta dressing. That's my falafel salad bowl from my new book, Seriously Good Salads, where you'll find the full recipe for this and 74 more of my favourite salad recipes, all packed with fresh flavours, loaded with excited toppings, and finished with delicious dressings. Let's smash those preconceptions that salads are just dull and boring diet food.